Hi and welcome back to the channel. In my last video I talked a little bit about the new Harley El Diablo. Well, it was open house this weekend. We visited Silver Lake, our local dealer, where I bought my street bob. And we saw it in real life. So I'm going to show you a short video about it, tell you a little bit about what I liked and didn't like, and give you some general impression about the open house days. Enjoy! Okay, we're here at the Harley Days in the Benelux, and we are at the Silver Lake dealership in Belgium, of course. This is my lovely wife Susie, and these are some of the bikes of the Kempen Chapter members. In a few minutes we will take a look inside and meet all the lovely people who work there. These are two of the main guys from the Kempen Chapter. That's Theo and ja.
Goedemorgen.
Goedemorgen. Yes sir. Ja. Ja. So we're about to see the El Diablo in real life. That is my lovely wife Susie, but this is the El Diablo in all its glory. And I have to tell you, in real life it looks magnificent. The paint job, the blackout 117 Milwaukee 8 engine is great. The bar sheet logos on the side. You have to see this in real life. It does have the small street bob kind of dashboard, which I don't really like, but hey, it's Harley Davidson's choice. But if you see the colors and the logos and the details on this motorcycle in real life, it looks really beautiful. The details are absolutely stunning. The bar sheet logo on the side here. It doesn't have a passenger seat, so if you want to, have a passenger seat, you'll have to pay extra for that. But other than that, it's really nice.